What's wrong?
Baby, don't go in there, please.
Oh, Barbie.
They got Ebola. I know what's going on. Come here. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Anaheim Police Department and is in effect for the following counties only: Orange, Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Riverside. On April 14, 2018, at 7:35 am, Nathan Cyprian was abducted from Anaheim, California. Nathan Cyprian is a 1-year-old white male, 38 inches tall, weighing 25 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Nathan Cyprian is believed to be wearing a gray sweatshirt, black and white striped shirt, and blue jeans. The suspect, Hillary Stenson, is a 34-year-old white female, standing 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. Hillary Stenson is believed to be wearing a maroon sweater and pants with writing on the back of the pants. The suspect was last seen driving a 2014 black Dodge Journey with California license plate number INDIG8. Of scene, call 911. That's my boy. Take it like a man, like a man. Go ahead. Make fun of me. Say I look silly.